Hi everyone, myself Dhanush. I am pursuing my first year engineering in computer science and cybersecurity in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So, today's topic is all about hazardous waste management. Let's see about introduction to hazardous waste management. Hazardous waste is any waste that poses a substantial or potential threat to public health or the environment. Proper management of hazardous waste is crucial to prevent harm to humans and the environment. Hazardous waste can come from various sources, including industrial processes and agriculture and also households. Generation of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is generated in large quantities by industries such as chemical manufacturing, mining, and healthcare facilities. The generation of hazardous waste can also occur in small quantities from households through the use of products like batteries, pesticides, and cleaning agents. It is important for generators of hazardous waste to properly identify, classify, and handle the waste to ensure safe disposal. Storage and transport of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste must be stored in designated containers that are compatible with the waste being stored. During transport, hazardous waste must be securely packed and labeled to prevent leaks or spills. Transporting hazardous waste requires compliance with regulations and may involve specialized carriers and permits. Processing of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste can be treated through various methods such as incineration, chemical treatment, or biological process. Treatment of hazardous waste aims to reduce the volume and toxicity of the waste, making it safer for disposal. It is important to choose the appropriate treatment method based on the characteristics of the hazardous waste. Collection of hazardous waste. Collection of hazardous waste can be done through specialized collection events, drop-off locations, or curbside pickups programs. Proper collection ensures that hazardous waste is safely managed and does not pose a risk to public health or the environment. Collection programs may vary by region and may be regulated by local or national authorities. Hazardous waste regulations. Hazardous waste management is regulated by various laws and regulations to ensure proper handling, storage, transport, and disposal. Regulations may include requirements for waste identification, labeling, record keeping, and reporting. Non-compliance with hazardous waste regulations can result in fines, penalties, and legal action. Best practices for hazardous waste management. Implementing a waste minimization strategy can reduce the generation of hazardous waste. Proper training of personnel handling hazardous waste is essential to prevent accidents and ensure compliance with the regulations. Regular inspections and audits of hazardous waste management practices can identify areas for improvement and ensure compliance. Importance of public education and awareness. Educating the public about the proper disposal of hazardous waste can help prevent contamination of the environment. Encouraging recycling, reuse, and proper disposal of hazardous material can reduce the impact of hazardous waste on human health and the environment. Public awareness campaigns can promote responsible waste management practices and also encourage participation in hazardous waste collection programs. Emerging trends in hazardous waste management. Advances in technology are enabling more efficient and environmentally friendly methods for treating hazardous waste. Circular economic principles are being applied to the management of hazardous waste, promoting resource recovery and waste minimization. Collaborative approaches involving industry, government, and the communities are being used to address complex hazardous waste management challenges. We have come to the end of this topic. Let's see about conclusion. Proper management of hazardous waste is essential to protect public health and the environment. Effective hazardous waste management requires adherence to regulations, best practices, and continuous improvement. By working together to responsibly manage hazardous waste, we can minimize its impact and create a safer and healthier environment for all.